Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp project, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you reorder the list of tasks in your Basecamp project? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to reorder the tasks in your Basecamp project anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you manage your projects or your teams inside Basecamp, you know that certain tasks are going to take priority over others, and that could change at any time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to reorder the list of tasks in a project, first you have to find the project. So click here on View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, scroll through until you find the project that you need to reorder the tasks. So for this one right here. All right, next you want to click in this box, To-Dos. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the different tasks that you have set up for that particular project. And in order to reorder these, you're going to look to the left and you're going to see these three horizontal lines. So for me, I have two different to-do lists. So this to-do list right here, and then this to-do list right here. So if this to-do list is going to take priority, we can jump that one all the way to the top by just grabbing it. And you can't put it in between other subtasks. You can only put it above another to-do list, and you just drop it. Now, if it's tasks within a to-do list like this right here, you can reorder these. So for example, the last thing we're going to do is order the cake, but maybe we want that to happen first. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab it by these lines and drag it to the top of that to-do list and then just drop it. So now the first thing on this to-do list is order the cake. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to reorder the tasks in your Basecamp project, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.